Hi everyone, we're at Craig Ranch Regional. My mom and I are just exploring, and there's my mom. This is a beautiful park in somewhere in North Las Vegas, near the 95. As you can see, there are some fowl. The short story about the fowl is, as a kid, I got chased by a goose. I didn't know, and out of nowhere, I was just throwing rocks when we used to live in Seattle. In our apartment, there was a lake, and I heard this little honk. I ran. Just imagine us very short, nesty as a kid. I ran for my life. So this is why I don't like fowl. I get away from. I am falling in love with pigeons again. I think they are cute, and to be honest with you, I think we treat pigeons unfairly because they do depend on us. So whenever a pigeon gets under my car or near my car, I let them do it. As long as they don't poop, I mean, you can't control that. But anyways, enjoy this video. Something different. This park is very well maintained. Ganda, oh. I know. So there's a playground area in this park. This park is huge. And there's my mom. Say hi, Mom.
Good morning.
How do you like the park so far?
We are in a park, Lone Mountain Park.
Craig Ranch, Mom. Craig Ranch, not Lone
We are
Mountain.
just doing our exercise.
This park is pretty legit. You guys have to see this. This park is huge. I've never been to a huge park like this in a while, and I'm kind of happy that these parks exist, because the way that children are brought up now with all this technology, it's better that they come out to parks like this. I wish we had a park as beautiful as this near our house. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Who would have thought you have a man-made lake in here? This is kind of cool. Yep, people need to explore parks like we're trying to for you guys. Hi guys, I don't have food, but you guys look so beautiful in this lake. There's even turtles here. That one's staring at me staring at me. How are you, buddy? You're the last man standing up here. And I are at the Centennial Hills Park. We found this. This is cool. It's This park is a little bit different than the other one, but it's still pretty cute. Less grassy areas, but there are locations where there are grassy areas. Say hi, Mom. Mom, say hi. This is our second park of the day. Yep, we're up here somewhere north part. It's a nice park. There's an amphitheater right there. The other park had some type of expo, and it was too crowded, so we decided to come here. Well, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Front of the amphitheater. I don't think you see a lot of amphitheaters anymore at parks, but it's nice to see there's one here. I don't know if they use it, but if you're ever up here at Centennial Hills Park, this is one of the, I guess, stuff you could see. What if you lived 20,000 years ago, and then there's my mom, she's taking pictures. Haven't been on a swing since I was a kid. It's kind of fun. Oh yeah, it's pretty tight. Oh, there's my mom. If you could see her, if you can't, she's right there on the right. Oh, there's my mom on the swing after what, 40 years? How do you like it, mom, in Duyan? Sa butt. Beautiful. Whoever thought of this is amazing. It looks very whimsical. Camera does not do this part justice, especially with these fake flowers. So this is the last park of the day that we're going to see. It's actually pretty close to the house. It's off of the 215. It is called, I'll show you. It is called the Gardens Park. This park seems like it has much better maintenance than the other parks. So let's go explore. Look at the beautiful trees of this park. And it's much cooler here because there's a lot of foliage. You know, I hope you guys are enjoying this video. You know, this is kind of new because we normally go outside of Vegas, but today we're in Vegas exploring the parks. I think this one is if you have horseshoes. So whoever can shoot the horseshoe inside the pole wins. But this is cool. This is a very activity focused type of park. This is cool. I like this. And this park is well maintained. It's so peaceful here. I'm happy it's becoming fall weather. Although the fall weather needs to come a bit faster because 80 degrees during the day and then freaking 50 at night, it's gonna cause you to have a cold. So stay strong there, Las Vegas. One, this park is starting to look very fall. Look at the trees. It's so beautiful here, yet it's so serene. Let me get on the path. Look at this. I love seeing trees change to colors. That's what I miss. Hope you guys have a wonderful day. We have lived here for 20 plus years in Las Vegas, and yet we just unearthed that there's a lot of other parks around, you know, so yep, exploring the city is pretty. Actually, I got this stuff from from an Instagrammer. Thank you for showing that there are parks around Vegas besides. But yeah, this is such a beautiful park. I love it. This is a field where you can actually play sports if you want to with your friends. The cool thing about this park, look at this. There is a skating rink in this park. How could you not? I mean, I've never seen a skating rink in the park, but this is really cool. Let me show you. This is pretty cool. Who would have thought this park had a skating rink? I'm pretty impressed.